Hello again, fellow foolish mortals. This is Mario with Team White City Devils at thescarefactor.com. Checking out the family's business out in Rockford, Illinois with Twisted Crypt Haunted House. Checking them out on their final night, seeing what the family's up to. A lot of great things going on here. Some really fun actor-driven haunt. This haunt is unique in the sense that they really want to keep you in the rooms for a bit. Get the interactions with people, and it just is a really good time. So let's go say hello to some family members we haven't seen in a while. Stay tuned.
How are you tonight?
Doing good. About you?
I'm great. You need rabies?
Oh God.
You need rabies?
Yeah, sure.
I need rabies?
Yeah, you need rabies.
I need rabies.
I got rabies.
Rabies?
Oh, that's so you don't bite yourself?
Yeah. I bite. Can you do me a favor and feed me a snack?
Snack?
Feed me a snack.
Oh, it's a baby! All right, ready?
I missed.
Oh, thank you. Ah, God!
Yeah, great.
Oh my God.
Did you bring snacks?
No,
What are you
Why
doing
not?
down there?
because I didn't
That's
know.
my strander. She's a good girl.
I want to. Did Mama not give a snack? You want a snack?
Yeah. Oh God, what is that?
It's fresh skin.
Fresh skin.
It's fresh.
You want it?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I
Feed the
don't.
baby.
No, don't feed the baby.
Feed the baby.
No, feed the baby. Oh.
It's time to go through that tunnel.
Oh boy.
Yay, the tunnel.
Help! Help! You need to get me out of here.
Okay.
Help!
Okay.
What do
You
you
can't
think
know
you're
that.
doing?
I'm sorry.
Who said that you could try to get
I
away?
need the doctor.
So,
I need the doctor.
and she doesn't want you.
Hi, Smitty.
Nancy.
Yeah.
Hi there.
Hi,
Welcome
Smitty.
back. You must be here for another round, huh?
Yes, we are.
Help!
It's my newest slop yet. This looks so scrumptious, mouth-watering.
Hi.
Now, was the lady in the kitchen eating her skin again?
Yes, she was.
That was pretty nasty, right?
Yeah, that was.
Oh,
She's
did
trying
you
to-
guys get any? Did you get any, Mario?
No, not me. I don't eat skin.
That's good. That means that she's rotting as we tomorrow's meal.
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta get them while they're fresh, right? I love fresh food. Isn't that right, Frankie? No. It's okay. Nice to meet you for you. You both want to do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you let everyone know Smitty said that dinner's ready?
Yes, I'll
Can
let
you
her
do
know.
that?
Yes, I can do that.
Bye-bye now.
All right.
Brian,
Oh my
Brian.
God! Woo! What is this? Oh my God! Hey, dinner's ready.
I'm gonna make you squeal like a pig.
Oh jeez. Oink oink.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Okay.
Another more.
What am I looking for?
Yeah.
I'm here to tell everyone that dinner's ready.
I don't eat dinner. I eat bugs.
They probably have that over there too.
They don't.
Ah. Bugs sound good though.
They are.
They are.
How dare you? How dare you come into my backyard and not bring a trinket for my dearly departed Uncle Ellis?
Sorry.
No trinkets.
No trinkets.
I like things that shine. Mine.
What, like my eyes?
Eyes. Little pieces of foil, coins, nose
Can I have
rings.
that?
I'm not picky as long as it's shiny.
Oh, I mean, I have this catheter.
I don't even have the right parts for these things.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know why he keeps giving those out. You know nobody's got the right parts. Sally, what did I tell you about helping the guests? They're gonna go back to the lockers. You're lucky. Do you know where we put the trinkets?
What?
In the spit bucket.
In the spit bucket.
Don't worry, I dumped the spit out first. But now you have a really important job. Don't tell Mama I have the spit bucket.
Okay.
Because if Mama finds out I have it, she's going to whip my ass with that butt buster thing of hers, and that hurts.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Yeah,
Right.
I don't want to go there.
So you don't have it?
I don't have it.
Okay.
Anybody but me. You
Okay.
can tell her Jack has it.
Okay, Jack has it.
Jack can have
Okay,
it.
yeah, all right. I'll tell him
Okay.
Jack has it.
You ready to meet some more family?
Yeah.
All right, go on. Go meet some more family.
Thank you.
Thanks!
Oh no!
Oh, Johnny
It's just chaos.
Sprinkles! 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 Sprinkles!
Oh my god!
Where is it? Where is it? Where? Where's the cloud? Where's the blue coat? Where?
Blue
You're not
coat?
him! No, you aren't!
No.
Oh.
I this wrong. It's a piece. I need it. No. There's a cloud. Blue coat. Weird face paint. He is the eye of a
Sprinkles.
triangle.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles, yes! Yes! You see, you cannot spell Illuminati without an I. You cannot spell sprinkles without an
I.
Hi.
Yes, where is he?
He's outside.
Not in there?
He's outside. He's
outside?
outside of the house, yeah.
Outside! No! You will find me, that rat man, the rat man, the mole man,
The mole man?
the triangle,
Triangle?
the aliens, lizard people, mole man.
Okay, okay.
Find me.
Okay, we'll find him.
My name is Bruce. What's your name?
Nancy.
Nancy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Bruce.
Do you know anything about cars right here?
I don't, but he does.
Do you know what type of car this is?
That's a Chevy.
Looks like
Correct. If I were to open this, would you be able to tell me what parts would? What is the basics, like the battery and the engine?
I can
Sure.
probably see that, yeah.
Oh my God! Look. I get these are new people, but I don't want you to spread your ideas and fantasies onto them, all right? Just turn around for me, all right? Tell me what a car battery looks like. I got a job for you.
Okay,
I
okay.
want you to keep going through this house and look for a battery for me, all right?
Okay.
Could be in the locker room, because it's got a whole lot of electricity in there, or it could be the doctor, who's using to zap people, just
Okay.
like that person behind you. She was a test subject, and now she's dead. She couldn't handle the voltage.
Okay.
All right? So I want you to go up ahead, ask around, say, hey, Bruce wants a car battery. And I'll try to reach you at the end of this house and tell me what they say.
oh.
Is that a battery?
There's there's not even a fuse in there.
Gotta look for a battery.
Is there a battery in here?
Ooh.
One rule.
Okay.
4 up, 4 down, no tripping allowed, y'all. Got it?
Got it. 4 up.
There you go.
I only know up to 3.
Oh, well, I believe in you. You got
4. 4 is after 3.
it. Perfect.
Oh.
No! Where is it? Let's go.
I showered.
I don't have it. You
I
said-
have a question for you.
Okay.
Do you have my skull?
Your what?
My skull.
Stethoscope.
Yeah.
No,
We have
I
a.
don't have it.
What do we have?
Why didn't you bring it?
My sister-in-law has it, remember?
Sister-in-law?
She's not here, though.
Are you lying to me?
I'm not lying.
You're lying. I see you lying.
No,
I
no,
see
not
it.
lying. No, I'm not lying.
I smell it. So you're not lying, huh?
I'm not lying.
Well, then you know what? Are you patient?
I guess.
Sit. Now listen. I test reflexes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I ask you to do one thing. Okay.
Okay.
Kick. Kick.
You're perfectly fine. Now get him!
Okay.
So no scope and no crashing, yes?
Okay.
You know what that means?
What that mean?
That means Jack. Can you say Jack for me?
Jack?
Louder.
Jack!
Scream out!
Jack!
Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Jack! Oh, Jack!
Oh my god.
Hey, get on in here, man.
Okay.
Come on over here and get up against this wall. You almost missed the main event.
Oh, no!
Oh, yeah, you're in for a treat. Now, since y'all say we're going to get right to it, all right? Okay, then. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, normal blinking humans of all ages, dying time is here. I love him. You're going to hate him. It's
Exit.
Time's up!
Oh no.
As you can see, I am now a true believer. NJ gave me this little hat to commemorate my moments of becoming a believer in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. As you can tell, we did very much so enjoy this walkthrough. And yeah, stay spooky.